Hi funny video lovers, here's a brand new funny video compilation. Please give us your comments on the videos that are funniest to you. Well, okay then, let's jump into the video.
Jaja, yo, me I say, na Diego, this COVID thing serious, you know. You know, so this morning my grandmother dropped out. After they say she have corona last week. Yeah, man.
Alright, my congratulations, man. Sorry for your man. Congratulations to you and your family. Sad, brother.
Me people, we gonna be careful when I use big word here. It's a pity me never been know Diego, so I could have tell him that before him record that message there. I'm so sorry!
Alright, so we're going to be doing some word association now. So I'm going to say a phrase, and you're going to say the first thing that comes to mind.
Okay.
Come in.
Side me.
What?
Did I do it right?
You need to take off that. You need to take off that. You need to take off that, man. You need to take off this shit. Take off it. Take off.
Daddy said no fish thing round here. Not in my house.
His girlfriend pranked him with the next man in his bed.
Hey, girl. You talk, girl. Yes. Yo. Sasha! Yo. Oh, where is it? No, Sasha, no. I'm not pussy. Sasha, no. I'm not prank. Sasha, I'm not prank. Sasha, I'm not agree with this, Sasha, man. I'm not agree with this, Sasha, man. Sasha, I'm not agree with this. I'm not agree with this. We have to talk about Sasha, man. Sasha, I'm not this, Sasha, man.
When you stammer and can't ask for pump
Boom, bang, bang. You have to say the word. You can't want something there and know if you say the word. So say, I want some pum pum.
A big woman thing. Me, I'm really look on them stay still about you see you look more.
Yeah, boy.
And more, round and things. So, you see, mother wants us, some of you fat hair, popo.
Say it right now.
Boom, boom.
No, pum pum. You have to say pum pum.
Oh. Want some coupling spot?
Pum pum.
You can't say it again to the man. Say it faster.
Want the
You have credit?
Yeah, I have some credit. I can send you some credit, yes.
You can just give me a call for your phone.
My phone just smash up.
Talk to Uncle Chris. What's up, Uncle Chris? Yo, what? What the girl them a treat you? You good? Yeah, I'm good. I'm chilling. Me know say you're upon your grind at school, at work. I'm just trying to do good, succeed and...
Trying to do what, my youth? Suck what?
Wait. Suck what? No man fi suck seed. You mean excel and prosper. Me know what you say no suck. Oh, that's what succeed. You hear me? Yo, youth. Yes, uncle. All right.
Watch out now. Virgin John, come from bushman, go spray some vegetable, watch out. Ants 9 pants. Wait. John, hold on, man. Check yourself, good man. Yeah. Right there, so. In the so. Yes, John. In the so. Watch. Wait, no, man. You mean your pants, man. I know hands that. Wait, John. Put your shoes at. Hold on
there, John. Is a new dance that?
Yes, check yourself. Jump on the song. Me ratty. Go on, take off your bag. Hold on, John. Search yourself good. Search yourself good, brother. Search yourself good. You can't get a yard. Yes. Right in the sun. Right up in the sun there. In the sun. Right up in the sun, John. Right up in the sun there. Check yourself, brother John. Check yourself. This is what I go on now. Check yourself. Put on the boot. Put on the boot. Watch your hands still in your pants, man. Hands in your pants, young way, man. Hands in your pants. Yes, John. Hands in your pants. Put on back your knapsack then. Take up your spray buckle then. You sure? Hands in the same way. You sure? Watch John drop it back same way. Hey. Take same guy. Alright. Call your brother James then. Can help you. So James push out him on there. Come check him, help search him up James and find out what go on him close there. And most 9 pants, man.
Hi. Yo. You know what my favorite fruit? No. Ask me now. Why your favorite fruit? Young Aki. But that no poison. Ask me why I'm my favorite now. What make your favorite? Because me can't force it open. You remind me of one young Aki. Water! Water not there today. Me check already. I can't tear you apart. I will tell you. Tell me say what? Some love gravy. Here, kitty.
Sugar added. I want to give you a figure when I look on her figure. Come like a treasure. Which one of them, brother? The snake or the leather? See that now you get the cellular phone together. Oh, you know. Give me 3 bills. Strong up. One sharp plan up. Mommy, work your hand them. Help the gentleman. Because right now you can't find plenty, man. Some man go look for woman and go empty hand. I'll do a woman have a way for empty man. Anyway, give him can come like that one there for him. Anyway, later them now for search for him. And don't talk quick, you know, you make me give him some change so that him stop behave strange. I saw the thing arrange, that time I know me end. Yeah, this is a 5, you know, pay attention and too much stress and tension. All people can't collect them pension. So many things in life to mention. That are 8.
Wesley, me just get some pum. You can't stop me. Hee-hoo.
Crazy.
National flower?
Yeah, what is Jamaica's national flower?
Oh, you mean? Then I could have wires.
Left that alone. Just left that alone. Yeah. That's Charlie. Don't it? Come on, left that alone. Now I'm going to get that up, brother. He left that alone.